One of the biggest pluses of perennials is that they return year after year. Buy and plant them once, and you're done. While that's a huge benefit, the advantages of perennials go far beyond that. They save you time and money other ways and help the environment too. Here's how. For starters, many perennials gradually expand over time, giving you more plants at no additional cost. Some, like Rudbeckia and Echinacea, drop seeds after they bloom, self-sowing to produce more plants. Others, like bee balm, lily of the valley, and yarrow, spread with underground stems that send up new shoots. Some perennials, like daylilies and hosta, can be divided every 3 to 5 years to produce more plants. As perennials grow and expand, they tend to crowd out weeds, another time saver. What's more, as their roots grow deeper, they require less frequent watering, yet another time saver. Those deep roots offer other advantages. They break up and aerate the soil, providing more pathways for water and nutrients. Because the soil is not dug up annually, beneficial microorganisms can grow undisturbed, improving overall soil health. What's more, deep roots stabilize the soil and minimize harmful erosion. The reduced need for watering is more than a simple time saver. As climate change increases the frequency and severity of drought, water conservation is becoming ever more important. Experts estimate that a perennial garden takes 50% to 75% less water than a similar-sized turf lawn. Likewise, perennials need less fertilizer than either annuals or grass. Using less fertilizer helps reduce runoff that can harm waterways and the fish and wildlife that depend on it. Another way that perennials help the environment is through carbon sequestration. Simply put, perennials have the ability to remove excess carbon dioxide from the air and store it in leaves and roots. This in turn helps improve air quality and mitigate the effects of climate change. Finally, by planting perennials, you're doing your part to nourish and sustain pollinators. Habitat loss and pesticide use have caused pollinator populations to decline at an alarming rate. Every perennial garden helps bring nature back into balance, which in turn helps protect our own food sources. So if you grow perennials to save yourself time and money, you can pat yourself on the back for everything else you're doing at the same time. Every backyard perennial garden helps improve the soil, mitigate climate change, and protect pollinators. Thanks for doing your part. For more ways to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.